Hello friends, this is CR Patel Path and here we are going to learn the SolidWorks software in which here I am going to teach you today the revolve cut, fillet, shell and the last one appearance, how to provide this kind of appearance to the bottle. Also we make the bottle by this all the command. First open the SolidWorks software and then go for the new and click on the parts and OK. First operating the revolve command, you have to first draw the cross sections of your favorable things which you will draw. So click on the any plane by right click for the normal, then again for the sketch. First I will make the one center line which is called the axis of the revolution. Then you have to make the cross section area of the bottom. Okay. So I am going to make the cross section area of bottom. Then if you want to change the dimension of this all line, so you will click on, you should click on the smart dimension. Then here I am going to teach you one command again, the sketch. Fillet sketch. Okay. Just click the two lines, then you will get the fillet command. If you want to add the more radius, click here, provide the here radius, then OK. Now the cross section area and axis of revolution is ready, in which the cross section this area is revolved by or revolved from this axis of revolution. Okay. Then click click on the revolve command. Okay. And the bottle is ready. If you don't find out the directly this one, here we will find out the directly because here this cross section is already selected. Okay. So this is the axis of revolution in which line one sketch means this axis of revolution, and this is our cross section. From here you can also choose these are the cross section area highlighted in region. Here the one thing is, here the cross section area move 360 degree. Okay, but sometime if you want to provide 270 degree, so you can watch what kinds of the shape is generated at here. Sometime you need to provide the 270 180 degree, but here we need 360 degree. Okay, our part is ready. Then I am going to show the revolve cut command. So for the revolve command, we have to must draw the cross section as well as the axis of revolution. So for the revolve cut command, we have to draw the same things. Select again the front plane. Sometimes you confuse how to and what plane I have to select, but when you will do the more and the more practice, then you will find out this kind of things which I have today. I am going to provide the three kinds of the cross section at here for the cut of the revolve cut. And this is the axis of revolution, and these all three cross section move across this axis of revolution. then Revolve cut. Here you can see here is not directly selected. So for the axis of revolution, this is our axis of revolution, and this three cross section is directly selected. If it's not selected, then you go for it. Select contour and select this cross section area. Then okay, the material will be removed here. Okay, you can see. Then fillet command. It will reduce this sharp corner. Okay, and for any designer we have to reduce this kind of the sharp corner at here. So select item to select, click on it and then select it. Here just I provide the 2 mm radius for it. Then the fillet is also ready at here. Then I will going to teach you this shell command. Shell means it provides the hollow shape of the solid body. Here you can see this is the solid body. So I have to provide the 1 mm thickness of this solid body. So I select the one, then here click on it and then select it. So it will provide the 1 mm thickness of this whole body. If you want to show before apply the yes, then click on the show preview. Then you find out the 1 mm thickness at here. Look at this. This is the blue line at here. Show the 1 mm thickness. Then okay. After that you can see at here. This is the hollow shape. Okay. Then lastly, I will provide the color at here. Plastic color I will provide it. High glass plastic. This plastic. For the revolve, the different only you can provide this face. It's gone. For the whole revolve, for the whole body. I like this color much better. Then for the revolve cut, here I will provide this color for the revolve cut and for the fillet. Okay, you can see how it's look like. It's amazing things. Okay, and here my realistic view is open at here. Realistic view. That's why it should look like the real view. Okay, it's a shadow. You can see it here. So thank you so much. Please subscribe and share and like this video.